Hey guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a look at the Calvin Klein jeans chunky sole lace up in black. Before we get into this review guys, if you are new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap those like buttons, we want to see those thumbs up, and drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment thrown our way. Let's get into this. So today we are coming off the back of our Balenciaga review, and we thought we'll give a little designer sneaker review again, but this time to a more accessible price range. So we thought we'll have a look at the Calvin Klein ones, and I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I feel like I've been hounded by Calvin Klein because I keep seeing this on my Instagram feed. Not this sneaker particularly, but a lot of Calvin Klein sneakers. Maybe I haven't even been searching for Calvin Klein, to be fair. Again, this video is not sponsored by Calvin Klein, but you know, you can throw me some underwear my way if you want. Now let's get into the specs. So we've got a look at the chunky sole lace up in black, and we got this in a European 42. This box already has the European sizing, so hopefully the rest of the sizing is going to be in the tongue or somewhere in the sneaker. So let's get opening. There we go. It does give you that high luxury fashion feel. The design reminds me of like a Fendi runner or a Gucci one, but it's CK jeans. Before we start with the nitty gritty, let's get with the sizing, and the sizing's here underneath the tongue. So we got this in a European 42, it's a UK size 8, and it's a US size 9. Now we'll start with the outsole. So this outsole has an all rubber traction parts that covers the foam, and you got the nice plastic like shank. It's not really the carbon one that you'll find in a Nike, it's just the typical plastic one with the Calvin Klein jeans branding there. Moving along onto the midsole. Now there's not any special technologies involved. This feels like a injected foam. I mean, I'm not expecting like boost or any responsive flex on these sneakers. These are just designed to look good, really. And if that's you, you know, I'm not telling you how to spend your money. If that's how you are, like, go ahead. Look good. Everyone wants to look good. You look good. Let's go along into the upper. So the upper is a blend of mesh and synthetic uppers. You got this little swing tag here that says, in purchasing this product, you are supporting more responsible leather production through the Leather Working Group. Now I'm not 100% sure what the Leather Working Group is. I believe that they make synthetic materials, and on the website it's not really helpful. I'll have a look, I'll read it out loud here. They've got mesh lining, a mesh trim, faux leather upper. So I'm not getting a lot of details in this description. We look into the toe box area, the mudguard. So you've got a lot of that chunky sneaker feel. I feel like it's dying down. I see more people, obviously it's been pandemic ridden times, so they've been wearing sandals, Birkenstocks. I'm seeing a lot of more slippers. Speaking of Birkenstocks, if you want us to do like a Birkenstock sandal clog sneaker, let us know in the comments section below. Like, we don't know what you guys want to see. You guys have a voice, and it's down there in the comments. Moving back into the sneaker. So right at the top in the toe box area, it gives me that Balenciaga triple S feel, because you've got the many layers from the midsole unit, and the way that the leather is stacked up with the mesh. And if you were to look at it from a bird's eye view, it looks like a dad sneaker, the chunky ones that were in fashion a couple of years back. If we look at the lateral sides, so you got the rubber Calvin Klein jeans logo, and stitched here just above the mesh. Again, you got the synthetic overlays with the lacing system, typical normal one. And if you look at the tongue, you got the Calvin Klein's logo stitched on there. Moving along onto the back, again, you've got the runner, that chunky style sneaker vibe. It looks like a lot of layering, covered with mesh. You've got the faux leather upper, just on the overlays. Nice pull tab for easy access. As it mentioned on the website description, you've got mesh lining, and you've got the Calvin Klein jeans on the insole. Now, I'm not like the biggest fan of luxury sneakers. Again, I'm gonna put that in this category. It's not really serving a purpose. Like many of the sneakers that we've reviewed in the past, were born off running. They've been born off basketball, even tennis. These, again, luxury fashion or fashion, they're made to look good. As a sneakerhead myself, obviously I'm not gonna be going out my way to get these, but I can understand the style. I can understand people that just want a quick look and they want the quick branding, and everyone knows CK jeans. I'm gonna round it off here. I'm gonna let you know how the sizing is and what my final thoughts are when I'm wearing some sweatpants. So here we go, roll that footage of me trying these on. When it comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you get your European fit. I just so happen to be a European size 42, which is a UK size 8. So my toes are at the right places. It's not at the very top. It's right here, not at the very top where my feet will be scrunched. Now when it comes to the comfort, I don't know, guys, it's not that comfy. I think it's because of the injected mold of the foam that's making the midsole unit. I'm not getting a lot of cushioning from my heels, and I don't know, it doesn't feel responsive when I walk. They look good though, so if you're looking for a sneaker just to look good in the vein of a high luxury fashion brand like your Balenciaga running trainers, Fendi, Gucci, whatever, I think the Calvin Klein ones hits the nice, just as, I wouldn't say they're cheap, but they're cheaper than the big brands. We were able to get these from Calvin Klein for £145. So there you go. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end on the Instagram account. Until next time, peace.